everybody, my name's Teresa.
And my name's Alex.
And we're here this evening to give you some safety advice on how to use your sparklers nice and safely this bonfire season. Now the first thing that you're going to be needing is a pair of gloves. The next thing you're going to be needing is
one of these, or one of these,
or even one of these. When the sparkler's gone out, it still remains very hot. What you must do is not touch it and put your sparkler in a bucket of cold water to let it cool down.